How to share and send location on WhatsApp. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can share and send your location on WhatsApp. So let's get started. First of all, open up your WhatsApp. After you open up your WhatsApp, simply head over to the text or to the person's DM to whom you want to share your location to. After you're there, simply tap on the text box area and pretend as if you're typing a message. On the left hand side, you will see a plus icon like this. Tap on plus icon and now you'll get some options. One of the options will be location. Tap on location to share your location. Now here you will need to enable your location settings here, so make sure that it's turned on. Now there you will see share live location option. Tap on it and you will now need to enable location, so just head over to the settings and now give access to the location. Now I'll just give it for always for right now and then head back. Now you can choose for the time period you want to send the location to, so just choose your time here and then just tap on send. And that is basically how you send your location on WhatsApp. And that is all for the video too guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.